USFA estimates that in 2023, over 350,000 residential fires occurred in the United States, resulting in 3,800 deaths and $14.8 billion in property damage. When encountering high temperatures, can your smart lock that relies on batteries and Bluetooth still work normally and not hinder your escape door? In the icy and snowy winter, is your smart lock facing the dilemma of rapidly running out of battery and often unable to be used normally? Bravex mechanical locks resistant to high temperatures and not affected by battery failure. Bravex mechanical lock does not require the use of batteries, is not affected by extreme weather, and can work permanently.